Hello friends, how's your day? Welcome back to Science Lesson for P4 students with me, Miss Rosa. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter. We are going to discuss chapter 2 about disease. So friends, are you ready for the lesson? Let's start! In this chapter, you will have 3 lessons. Lesson A, Infectious Disease. And then Lesson B, Medicines. Lesson C, Vaccines. Now we will start for the lesson A, Infectious Disease. So friends, you can open the student's book page 24 until 30. Here you will know that plants and animals can have infectious disease, and vaccinations can prevent some infectious disease of animals. Now let's explore. I have a picture here. Look at 2 pictures below. So Rias has a cold. He sneezes several times a day. Can you circle and find out that shows him doing the right thing? Picture 1 or picture 2? Which one, friends? Right, so the picture 2 is the right thing here. So, can you predict what could happen if Rias plays with his friends when he is unwell? What will happen if no one is wearing a mask? Correct, friends. Yes, the illness will be spread out. If you are not well, be responsible and do the right things, such as wearing a mask or clothes when you sneeze. Now, what are infectious? Can you see this picture? What happened to them? Right, they have cold. So, they have a dizzy. What's dizzy here? Dizzy means a condition which your body or part of your body is not able to function properly. And the infectious disease means disease that can be spread from one person to another. So, infectious disease are caused by germs, small living things that enter our body and make us ill. So we can only see germs under a microscope. Now I have another question, friends. Can animals get infectious disease? Have you ever heard about bird flu? Right, that's the example of infectious disease on animals. So animals can get infectious disease. The disease can spread from one animal to another. And some infectious disease can spread from animals to humans. Now how about for plants? Can plants get infectious disease? Can you take a look for this picture? Yes, plants can get infectious disease. So, the disease can spread from one plant to another. And the effect, plants can lose the leaves and then drop and even die. Now let's start for the lesson B, Medicines. Can you open the student's book page 31 until 33? So here, you will know that medicines can be used to treat some illnesses and describe how to use them safely. Why do we need medicines, friends? Right, medicines help us to treat disease. Medicines are prescribed by a doctor. Medicines can be found in the pharmacy. So medicine have different forms, such as tablet, liquid, or powder. How can we use medicine safely? Here are the tips for you. First, read and follow the instructions. Use medicines based on dose. As adults, when you take medicines, so be careful, friends. Now let's continue for the lesson C about vaccines. So you can open the student's book page 34 until 35. And this lesson, you will know that plants and animals can have infectious disease, and vaccination can prevent some infectious disease of animals. What are vaccines then? Our body or immunity can against germs that enters our body, but sometimes cannot fight some types of germs that make us very ill. So vaccines here gives immunity against many diseases. Vaccines can protect us from the disease for a long time, also help to stop disease from spreading, and this can prevent the outbreaks. These are the examples. Some vaccines can be taken by mouth or using injection. Are there vaccines for animals? Right, so vaccines are given also to farm animals such as cow and chicken. So what's for? It can keep the animals healthy, help to stop the spread of the disease to other animals as well as to people. Vaccines can reduce the risk of an outbreak. This is the example. Vaccines are given to the cow and also the chicken. Thank you so much for paying attention. See you on the class. Bye everyone.